how to cure constipation with these two ingredients. How you can cure constipation with only two ingredients. So before I proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if you want to know more about men, consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. So what is constipation? Constipation is when you empty your stomach consistently. That is when you go to excrete or to remove feces continuously. It is as a result of constipation. When you have complications, you have pains in your stomach, it is constipation. Now, how are you going to cure it naturally? No spending of a dime, just only two ingredients. The two ingredients are number one, lime. Then number two is ginger. These are the only two ingredients you need for this recipe. Then how are you going to prepare this wonderful recipe that will help you to terminate constipation? You are going to do it like this. Use a grater. After you might have finished scraping this, then scrape it and choose a side. Choose this side. After you might have finished scraping this, then grate it. Grate it till you get the small particles. Grate it so that you get enough particles. Enough and a big particles of this ginger. Put it in a pot. Then collect this lime, like 2 or 3. Squeeze the juice and add. You can even add the outer parts. Better, just add the outer parts and add a good quantity of water. Then boil for 3 to 5 minutes. Boil it for 3 to 5 minutes. Bring it down and filter it. Allow it to get cold. Allow it to get cold. You have your perfect juice. You can take it morning and night. Morning and night. After your breakfast and your dinner. Take this juice. Half cup. Not full cup. Half cup. Morning and night. That constipation will be terminated automatically. Take it for complete 1 week and you will never experience constipation again until years or until months. So these are the best way to terminate or to cure constipation naturally. Only these two ingredients, this and this. Grate this. After you might have finished peeling it, grate it and put it in a pot. Take this lime, both this outer part, wash it before adding. Then collect like 4 or 5, put it in a pot and boil the two for 5 minutes. Bring it down and filter it. You have your juice. Take it morning and night. That constipation will be a thing of the past, and you must come back here and give me testimony. So that is it for today's video. I hope you get value from this video and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, hit the like button, subscribe to support this channel and to also be a member of this channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out any of my upcoming videos. Like and share this video to your friends and families. If you have comments, put it in the comment section below. I will never hesitate to reply your comments. Thank you for watching this video, and I believe that this recipe will cure constipation no matter the level or no matter the complications. This recipe will work 100%. Thank you for stopping by once again. See you in my next video. I love you all, and I will keep giving you people the best recipe for you to be healthy and for you to always get the best you want. Thank you for stopping by. Take this recipe with faith and believe that this recipe will work for you, and it must surely work. Thank you for stopping by once again. See you in the next video. Bye.